plans to reopen schools remain flexible, as you know, as health officials keep a close eye on those numbers that Kelsey was talking about. Only on RTV6, we sat down with Dr. Deborah Birx. She's one of the top doctors on the White House Coronavirus Task Force. Now, we know that your child's health is a top priority every day, especially during these times. So we had many questions, especially if this was really the right time to open schools, considering the spike in COVID-19 cases. My wife's a kindergarten teacher.
Yes.
Before COVID-19, sometime in October, she would come home sick with some sort of cough or cold. She has the cutest kids in America. The cutest kids in America. But those classrooms are petri dishes for illness. Knowing that, Doc, how can then we make sure that those classrooms are safe for those teachers, staff, moms, dads, daycare providers? How does that really work when we already know the science tells us that those classrooms are petri dishes?
Well, I've been encouraged to hear from daycare providers in different parts of the United States where they have been caring for essential workers and emergency first-line workers from the beginning. And they've been able to create safe environments. Now, it's different, and I've heard them talk about how they've spaced children in their arrivals and spaced them in their dismissals, and they haven't had to deal with buses and other issues like that. I think we can learn from that. We can learn where are the most problems, and that's what's in the CDC guidelines. Where do we have to most protect the children? And I think what people are learning about is how to disinfect the bathrooms, how to disinfect the classrooms, and really how to social distance children. The risk will never be zero. The question is, can we protect those who need our protection to make sure that they don't get infected? And can we create early warning systems where you can have and find out, well, this one classroom has COVID, but all the other classrooms, there's no children with COVID.
Thank you to Dr. Birx. She tells me that she can't guarantee that children won't get COVID-19, just like she can't guarantee that they won't get the flu when flu season begins later this year. Tomorrow we'll talk about vaccines as well as testing. That and much more coming up right here on Good Morning Indiana.